Eye and face protective equipment. In the course of a chemical operation, eye or face protective equipment provides protection to the eye and the face of the wearer against the hazards arising from the following: hot or dangerous chemicals in form of gas, vapor, fumes, aerosol, dust, fiber or airborne particulate, splashes of hot or dangerous liquid chemicals, flying objects such as particulate or fragments from a bursting container, and intense light or other non-ionizing radiation including heat used in or emitted from the chemical process. Selection of suitable eye or face protective equipment depends primarily on the risk of chemical operation and how the chemicals come into contact with the eye or face. However, comfort, style, and durability should also be considered. Types of eye or face protective equipment for safe use and handling of chemicals include the following: safety goggles, consisting of one piece wide vision lens, flexible plastic frame, and an elastic headband with the whole periphery in contact with the face, providing total protection of the eyes from all angles. Not suitable to protect against gases or vapors, prone to fogging, thereby hindering vision. Face shields with adjustable head harness. Heavy and bulky, protect the face but not fully enclosing the eyes, may be worn over standard prescription spectacles, not suitable to protect against dust, fumes, or gases. Hood type, generally used in conjunction with the suitable respirator, very bulky and inconvenient for use, fully enclosing the head, used in very dangerous operations such as during clearing chemical spills. Face and eye protective equipment is also available in various tints and shades for protection against intense light or other non-ionizing radiation used in or emitted from the chemical operation. In that case, the frequency of the radiation must be known, since the absorbing media are frequency specific. The lenses or screens of the eye or face protective equipment must be transparent and provide clear vision. Suitable material for the lens or screen depends on the hazards that may be encountered. These materials include polycarbonates. They are effective against impacts from flying objects but not suitable to protect against corrosive chemicals. Acrylic resins, suitable for protecting against chemical hazards but weaker against impacts. Fiber based plastics, having the advantage of adding anti-fogging coating. Problems with the use of personal eye or face protective equipment. The basic problems in wearing personal eye or face protectors include causing discomfort, may not be acceptable for wearing over long hours of work, restricting vision, side frame limiting peripheral vision, nose bridge inhibiting binocular vision, fogging of lens or screen, hindering vision, particularly prominent in humid or hot working environment. Incompatibility with other PPE, such as impairing the face fit of the face piece of respiratory protective equipment. Therefore, the first consideration should always be given to the improvement of the working environment rather than to use of personal eye or face protective equipment. These considerations include removal of fumes and dust by exhaust ventilation, screening of sources of heat or non-ionizing radiation, and screening of work area from which particles or hot or dangerous liquid may be ejected. Other alternative means such as use of transparent screen or partition of appropriate size and quantity to isolate the sources of the hazards from the operator are preferred to the use of personal eye or face protective equipment.